Welcome to Project Generational Wealth. Today we're going to discuss taking profits. I know that we often see alerts in the Shift and the Titan app when a trade strategy has hit different take profit targets, such as 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And we want to be in on those different take profit levels. And you're asking yourself, how should I take advantage of it? How can I? How do I know when to take advantage of these take profits, etc.? Now, first, you have to understand your risk tolerance. How risky are you? Are you a YOLO type person? You want to, go all in, and you have a high risk tolerance. So if you lose your whole account, you're fine with it, or are you more reserved? So, whatever your risk tolerance is, just know what it is before you make your decision. Next, you should consider how familiar you are with the master trader. How often does this particular master trader hit level 2 or level 3? In general, along with this particular currency pair, when this master trader trades this currency pair, how often do they hit take profit 2? Take profit 3. You should be very familiar with that, just so you can, it will help you in making your decision on what level to go for. But we're just going to cover some different examples. Now, again, none of these trades are active in the Shift app. I am using old trades, so there may be situations in which my account may go red, but I'm in my demo account. You should always be in your demo account when trying new strategies or trying something for the first time. You do not want to blow up your live account. Now, again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. However, this is just my recommendation. So if you're new, or as usual, when we enter a trade, we always go for take profit 1, right? And so in this particular example, let me see if I can find one that will allow us to go for take profit 1. I don't see any. So we're just going to use this as an example. Okay, so we're in the Australian US dollar, we're up 20 pips. So I can't do take profit 1 because we're already up 20 pips. However, we're just going to go in as an example. So let's say in this particular example, this has a 18. So this is 18, and we want to go and modify it because we're currently monitoring our trade. We're looking at it live, and we want to go after take profit 2. So you would go into your open trade. Let me open the trade real fast. So you would go into your open trade, and you would modify it, and you would go to take profit 2. You would copy it, and you would put it in the take profit field, and then you would also move your stop loss. So currently the stop loss is for the take profit 1, but we're going after take profit 2 now. So we want to move our stop loss to the entry at level. So we're going to copy entry at, paste it, and you're going to modify the trade. If you are still monitoring the trade and you're noticing it that is going to take profit 3, and you want to move it to take profit 3 before it hits take profit 2. Let's say this says 35, 36, and you said, okay, I see the direction. I think it's going to go to take profit 3. I want to go in and shoot for take profit 3. You would do the exact same thing that we just did. You will modify the order. You will copy take profit 3, paste it in the take profit field, but you're also going to move your stop loss, and you're going to move your stop loss to take profit 1. And you would continue to do this until you decided that you didn't want to move your take profits or anything anymore, and then you just wait for the trade to close out. Another option you have is you can set a buy or sell limit. And what do I mean by that? So you get the alert. It is you enter your trade as normal. You copy to take profit 1, etc. But you want to, instead of monitoring the trade all day to see to manually change your take profit and stop loss, you would just enter a limit order. So in this example, this is a buy. So what you would do is you would put in a new order, and this is a buy. So you would just go to buy limit, and then you would just go to copy take profit 2. Oh, excuse me, take profit. Yeah, you would go to take profit 2. You would paste it, and then your stop loss, since you're going for take profit 2, your stop loss will be your entry level for the original trade, and then your purchase price will be take profit 1. Why is your purchase price take profit 1? What does that mean? So right now you're saying, okay, you got into the trade, you did a market execution, and you're already set at take profit 1 for one of your entries. So as soon as we hit take profit 1, your existing trade, the first one you open, is going to close, and you're going to be in the profit, right? Because you hit your first take profit. Now your second trade is going to open, right? Because you're at the take profit 1 amount. So now your second trade, your new trade is open. So your new trade is going for take profit 2. And so that's how you can take advantage of take profit 2. So as soon as it hits take profit 1, your take profit 2 trade is open. And if you think it's going to go to take profit 3, you would do the exact same thing. You would open a new order, right? And so you would copy take profit 3 and paste that in the take profit field. If you want to go to take profit, you would go to take profit 1, put that in the stop loss field, and then you would go, this is a buy, so you would do a buy limit, and then your price, because you're going for take profit 3, your price would be take profit 2. And then you would just repeat that for each take profit level that you wanted to attempt to go after. Another option you have, if you don't want to go after take profit 2 or take profit 3, and you're not as risky, right? You're more reserved, you can open up twin trades. Twin trades are just multiple trades for the same currency that go after take profit 1. As you can see here, I post several trade strategies results on Instagram. And so this is one that I took earlier with the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. As you can see, I have 4 different pairs open, and they're all the same trade. They're all going for TP1. However, I opened them up at different times. So as I thought the trade was going well, I opened a new trade line up. And to open a new trade line, all you have to do is take the open trade. You just hit new order, just enter in the take profit 1 goal, and you will enter the stop loss goal, and then you will modify your order, and then that will give you the second twin trade. And you can do this multiple times. You can change the amount if you do new order. There's another way that you can do this exact same thing. You can hit the plus sign at the top. So click on the pair that you want to twin trade, hit the plus sign, make sure that it appears at the top, because if you have multiple trades open, sometimes it will not open the one that you want. So make sure you open the one you want, and again, you would just put in your take profit, and then you would put in your stop loss just like you would, on a normal day. And then you would modify the trade. You would hit, buy, and then it'll be open. Now, this is my Timo account, so all of these are just examples of what to do in these particular situations. These are not active trades, so do not be alarmed or do not be scared of what you're seeing. I just opened these specific trades for the purposes of this demonstration. So I hope that helped everyone understand how and when to take profits and some different strategies you can utilize. One strategy like we talked about before is if you're actively monitoring the trade, you can manually go in and adjust the take profit targets as the pips get closer to the target. Or if you are not a person that likes to set and monitor the trade, you can set it and forget it by placing a buy limit if it is a buy trade or a sell limit if it's a sell trade for the various take profits. And again, if you move your take profit target to 2, make sure that you also move your stop loss. Same thing if you go to take profit 4. You do not want to go for take profit 2 and take profit 3 and have your original stop loss. And the reason why is because you will lose not only your investment, you will go negative. So, I hope this information was extremely helpful, and I hope to see everyone in the money. Thank you so much.